Today is Wear Red Day. National Wear Red Day. First Friday in February 2026 is National Wear Red. That's why I'm wearing red day. The reason for that is to help bring awareness, especially in women, heart disease. I will read a little bit more about it for you. I'm going to use two different palettes so I can have two different reds to create this look. So today, pull out anything red you have and wear it. Let us help bring awareness to women cardiovascular disease. This is the first red I have. February 6th is National Wear Red Day. National Wear Red Day is intended to help raise awareness of heart disease, in particular among women. The first Friday in February is a day to support women by wearing red and raising awareness for the number one killer in women. Cardiovascular disease takes a woman's life approximately every 80 seconds. Get ready to go red in support of women's cardiovascular health by wearing red, sharing information and resources, and donating to support research and education. Now I'm going into another palette to get another red just to put on this one. Again, wear red on February 6th to celebrate, to bring awareness of women cardiovascular disease. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Do not give up on yourself. Know that you're important. Please check with your health provider to make sure that your heart is healthy. I go to a heart doctor every 6 months, making sure my cholesterol is good. Sometimes it is very good and it changes every 6 months. Now I just got my test back because I just did my blood work because I'm getting ready to go visit him. But this is my 6 months checkup, and my cholesterol is 109. That might not sound so bad. And I'm doing all the things I know. I eat clean. The only problem I have is sleep, and I think that's where my issue lies. So I am ready to figure out how to get more sleep. And my more sleep problem is because of menopause. Menopause have gotten better, but my sleep have not returned the way it used to. So now I'm ready to take that step. And hopefully my doctor will understand, because I haven't seen him yet while I'm filming this. I'm seeing him in the next 2 days. So today's Friday. I'll see him Monday. So hopefully when I do see him, we can work out something without medication. I want to try another 6 months where I'm sleeping properly to see what happens. After that, if all else fails, then I have tried everything I can. And then I guess I'll have to settle for that medication, but not now. I need to try one more thing. Not going down without a fight. And I don't want you to go down without a fight. Do everything in your power to keep your heart healthy. National Wear Red Day is the first Friday in February. please put something red. Whether it's a red lipstick, a red earring, a red wig, red eyeshadow, red shirt, red skirt, red dress. Wear something red on National Red Day to bring cardiovascular awareness of women. Women suffer with heart attacks more often than their counterparts. Please remember to share this video with someone else. Hype it up so it can be seen around YouTube. And today's I didn't think of it, but I just want to say, take care of your heart. We have to take care of our hearts. As women, we work so hard trying to help everybody, trying to please everybody, and we neglect us. Let us pay a little bit more attention to our heart health and do whatever it takes to make sure our heart is in good condition. I love you dearly, and I appreciate you very much. I will see you shortly. Bye.